A very good morning to one and all present here. On behalf of the Medicaps Innovation and Incubation Center and E-Cell of Medicaps University, I, Dr. Anjali Soni, welcome all of you in today's interactive session with founders of successful startup of Medicaps University. First of all, I am pleased to welcome our Honorable Vice Chancellor, Dr. D.K. Patnaik, Pro Vice Chancellor, Dr. D.K. Panda, Registrar, Dr. Pradyuman Yadav, all the respected deans, all the head of the department, head of MIIC, Dr. Sarita Kansal, head of E-Cell, Professor Ramjan Singh sir, all the faculty members, then today's speakers, and all the participants. Medicaps is one of the brand names in the arena of technical education and is contributing in making Indore an educational hub. Since July 2000, Medicaps aims at creating an ideal ambience for budding technocrats and helping them to grow like true professionals. In year 2015, we got the approval from UGC to be a self-financed university and admission for same started in 2016. Since then, we have included many courses other than engineering like management, agriculture, pharmacy, commerce, science, arts, etc. Since we have created our own brand in the Center India, till date more than 12,000 students have been passed out from Medicaps and are working globally, and 7,000 students currently studying in various programs. Now I invite Dr. Sarita Kansal, Professor in charge, Medicaps Innovation and Incubation Center, to have an insight about MIIC. Over to Dr. Sarita Kansal.
Thank you, Anjali ma'am. A very good morning to all of you. Medicaps Innovation and Incubation Center was established in the year 2018 with the aim of provoking innovation and backing startups. We believe in setting the stage for energetic, enthusiastic, and aspiring entrepreneurs. We encourage talents and innovators. An opportunity is provided to the potential change makers of the industry, thereby contributing towards a positive change. MIIC supports technical, non-technical ventures and lab stage innovations. This paves the path for potential business ideas to reach the market. MIIC is taking many initiatives to create the awareness in the campus as well as to promote the new startups, new ideas. And we are fortunate enough that the bright students of Medicaps University is who are the founders of a good startup which is named as Igniter. So we are fortunate enough to hear their successful story from themselves. So without wasting much time, I am handing the mic to Anjali ma'am. Thank you so very much.
Thank you, madam. Thank you so much. As we are here to attend interactive session with founders of successful startup of Medicaps University, I feel so much proud to introduce our today's speakers. We have with us young and talented entrepreneur and students of Medicaps University, Mr. Ankit Pushpa, Mr. Ayush Vyas, Mr. Somil Jain, Mr. Sarthak Naha. Okay. So Mr. Ankit Pushpa is an entrepreneur and co-founder of Igniter. He believes in make things happens. He has done BTech IT from Medicaps University. Then Mr. Ayush Vyas, co-founder of Igniter, BTech IT from Medicaps University. He followed his passion for adding creativity to the team. Mr. Somil Jain, co-founder of Igniter, and also the president of E-Cell of Medicaps and doing BTech EC from Medicaps University. Mr. Sarthak Naha, co-founder of Igniter, helping clients and boosting their business through branding and marketing, and doing BTech in EC from Medicaps University, and head of the public relations in E-Cells of Medicaps University. I congratulate all of you and inviting these young and dynamic entrepreneurs for interactive session. Over to Mr. Ankit Pushpa.
First of all, ma'am, thank you for the introduction, for a lovely introduction which you gave about Igniter. We are so glad to be the part of Medicaps University and to be the part of this panel. First of all, I would like to thank our VC sir, Mrs. Sarita Kansal ma'am, Ramjanam sir, for having us here for this interactive session. hosted by Incubation Center and Eastern Medicaps University. So, like, first of all, I would like to request Somil, can you please share the screen? Ma'am, can you please allow us to share our screen so that we can start the presentation?
You can share.
Yes. So, yeah. So, as you can see, like, this session is basically an interactive session, like how we started up, how we started Igniter, and how a person like studying in the university can start his own venture, or if you're having an idea, how you can make that idea and how you can execute the stuff. Like basically इसके बारे में कि हम बता रहे हैं कि हमने Igniter कैसे start किया है, and basically अगर किसी भी बच्चे के पास कुछ idea है तो how he can go to the level of execution and क्या क्या दिक्कतें आती हैं, basically ये सेशन उसके बारे में रहेगा. So first of all, I would like to give a basic company overview ताकि आपको पता चले कि what Igniter actually does. Before starting this session, I would like to brief a little okay, what we actually do. So our company name is Igniter. We are basically a B2B marketing innovation startup. We innovate different marketing ideas. Like if a startup or if a business is having some problem to reach to its audience, we basically help them to escalate or to reach new heights. So the services which we offer to different clients include social media management, video creation, campaign management, cinematography, digital marketing, web development, music production, and there are many services which we offer, but these are the key services which we offer to our client. Now coming on to the next slide, like the clients.
Sorry, I am interrupting.
Hello, Ankit, slides नहीं visible है.
Slide में just a second. Ma'am, actually it's visible on my screen. Like Somil is sharing the slide.
Anjali ma'am, it's visible. It is visible. It's visible in my.
Okay, so मेरी screen पे नहीं दिख
मेरी स्क्रीन पे भी नहीं दिख रहा है.
मैम आप एक बार व्यू ऑप्शंस में जाके
now it
दिख
is
रहा है.
now it is visible. Okay.
Okay, there is some issue from your end. It is visible very well.
एक और रिक्वेस्ट थी आप लोगों से चारों से कि आप अपना कैमरा ऑन रखेंगे so that all others can.
Yes sir. My camera is on. Somil and Sarthak, Ayush, can you please turn on your camera
so that others can see you.
So yeah, sure sir.
Thank you.
Yeah. So currently we are working with these are the few clients for which we are working. Like it includes Radisson, Marriott, Fashion TV, Wazir, Shop Kirana, 5paisa, Saiji, MTV, and we have also been working with Forbes recently. So these are the few clients, and we are also just a second. And we are also recognized by Startup India recently. We are a DPIIT certified. We are also recognized by MSME, and we are also registered as a private limited company in the Ministry of Corporate Affairs. So this was the brief overview about what Igniter is, what are our services, and what are our clientele, and how we are into this startup space. Now I would like to come to the main topic, which is like जो इस discussion का basically part है. Like in the posters you have seen that there is written successful startup of Medicaps University. So we are glad that Medicaps University is recognizing ourselves as a successful startup. But like I would like to state a point. Okay, success is a very subjective word. Like we do not consider ourselves as a successful startup because the success is subjective. It changes from time to time. It is basically time bound. अगर मैं आपको बताऊं, if a person जब वो 5th क्लास में होता है या फिर जब वो 10th क्लास में होता है, 12th क्लास में होता है, तो इन डिफरेंट क्लासेस और इन डिफरेंट पैरामीटर्स ऑफ एज सक्सेस के क्राइटेरियाज अलग अलग होते हैं. अगर आप 5th क्लास में तो आपका सक्सेस का पैरामीटर ये हो सकता है कि जब मैं 10th में जाऊंगा तो आई शुड स्कोर दिस पॉइंटर. जब मैं 10th में हूं तो आई वुड हैव लाइक अ पैरामीटर कि जब मैं 12th में जाऊंगा तो आई शुड लाइक गेन दिस मच परसेंटेज. मैं आईआईटीज में जाऊं या मैं आईएम्स में जाऊं, दीज आर द डिफरेंट पैरामीटर्स जिसपे एक पर्सन अपनी सक्सेस को डिफाइन करता है. बट अगर आप खुद सोचें तो क्या वो रियल सक्सेस है? इज दैट द रियल गोल व्हिच यू वांट टू अचीव? The answer would be no. So success time to time change होती है. So the thing in which we believe is that there is always learning while achieving the milestones. Like जब आप आपकी कोई भी जर्नी शुरू करते हैं, I'm not talking about startup only. अगर आप कुछ भी अपनी जर्नी स्टार्ट करते हैं तो जो बेसिकली जो जर्नी है उसमें जो माइलस्टोन्स आते हैं, उसमें जो आपको लर्निंग्स मिलती है, इट इज बेसिकली दैट. एंड आई वुड लाइक टू इलैबोरेट अ पॉइंट, लाइक हम किस वे में सोच रहे हैं या फिर व्हाट आर आवर पर्सपेक्टिव इज दैट वी बिलीव इन इंस्पिरेशन. Because like I said कि success is time bound, success is subjective. So what is the next thing? अगर मैं अपने आप को successful नहीं बोल रहा हूँ, अगर मैं अपने आप को ये नहीं बोल रहा हूँ कि we are successful, या फिर अगर मैं बोल रहा हूँ कि success changes from time to time, या फिर success हमको हमेशा दूर दिखती है, तो second चीज क्या है जिसके लिए हम वर्क करें? So basically we work for inspiration. बिकॉज इंस्पिरेशन एक ऐसी चीज है विच ड्राइव्स अ पर्सन। बिकॉज अगर आप देखें आपके आसपास देयर आर मेनी एलिमेंट्स फ्रॉम विच यू कैन गेट इंस्पिरेशन। बिकॉज अगर मुझे कुछ भी स्टार्ट करना है तो जो उसका बेसिक स्ट्रक्चर अंडरलाइंग एसेट है, दैट इज इंस्पिरेशन। सो जो हमारा प्रोसेस है बेसिकली वर्क करने का, वी हैव डिवाइडेड दैट प्रोसेस इनटू 3 डिफरेंट एस्पेक्ट्स। लाइक अगर मैं इन 3 पॉइंट्स को एलैबोरेट करूंगा तो हमें समझ में आएगा कि फ्रॉम वेयर डू वी गेट इंस्पिरेशन, या फिर अगर आपको भी इंस्पिरेशन, इफ यू आर आल्सो सीकिंग फॉर इंस्पिरेशन, तो आप कैसे उसको हासिल कर सकते हैं। सो वी हैव जस्ट ब्रोक डाउन इनटू 3 बेसिक पॉइंटर्स, व्हिच इज डोंट जस्ट broaden your knowledge, learn to ask questions। तो मैं आपको एक पॉइंट ये बेसिकली बताता हूँ कि इनका मतलब क्या है, हाउ वी फाइंड इंस्पिरेशन लाइक इन एवरीडे लाइफ। सो डोंट जस्ट, अगर मैं आपको इसको बेसिक सी टर्म में एक्सप्लेन करूँ, लाइक इट्स एन एग्जांपल, मैं आपको बताना चाहूँ कि डोंट जस्ट का क्या मतलब है। तो आपने देखा होगा, अगर हम अलग अलग क्लासेस के लगे, मैं स्कूल या फिर कॉलेज की बात करूँ, तो वी हैव पर्टिकुलर सब्जेक्ट्स, एंड उन जो सब्जेक्ट्स में देयर आर पर्टिकुलर चैप्टर्स, और उन चैप्टर को पढ़ने के लिए हमारे पास 6 महीने का टाइम होता है, और स्कूल में अगर मैं बताऊं तो 1 साल का टाइम होता है। और उसके लिए वी गेट एन 45 मिनट लेक्चर एवरी डे, 5 डे वीक, और हमें उन 45 मिनट्स में जो हमारे टीचर हैं, जो हमारे मेंटर हैं, उनको हमें वो लेक्चर देना होता है। इन द स्पैन ऑफ 6 मंथ्स हमें पूरा सब्जेक्ट बताया जाता है। तो उसमें प्रॉब्लम वहां पे आती है जब हम सिर्फ जो 45 मिनट्स की क्लास है उसको पढ़ के बाहर आ जाते हैं और हम एग्जाम दे देते हैं। वहां पर भी रिस्ट्रिक्ट आवर सेल्फ, which we have to, मतलब वो हमको प्रैक्टिस फॉलो नहीं करनी चाहिए। we don't just have to stop there, we have to search for different opportunities। like अगर मेरे को आज कोई एक चैप्टर पढ़ा है, like अगर फिजिक्स में कोई एक चैप्टर है, तो I have to evolve that aspect। मेरे को घर पे जाके I have to search on the internet। आज तो we have very good access of internet, तो we have to search for the deeper meaning of that particular topic। तब आपको पता चलेगा कि exactly वो चीज अगर हमें बताई जा रही है, because 45 minutes is never enough for a particular thing, वो हमें समझना पड़ेगा। सो डोंट जस्ट स्टॉप योरसेल्फ एट अ पर्टिकुलर थिंग, ट्राई टू सी द बिगर पिक्चर कि उसके पीछे का मोटिव क्या है। द सेकंड थिंग इज दैट ब्रॉडन योर नॉलेज। अगर मैं इस पॉइंट के बारे में बात करूं, तो अगर हम स्टार्टअप की बात करते हैं, तो स्टार्टअप इज बेसिकली आइडिया विच इज एग्जीक्यूटेड इन सिंपल टर्म्स। तो एक स्टार्टअप का आइडिया अगर मेरे पास आता है, तो आप अगर सोचे कि आइडिया आ कहां से रहा है, हमें समझना पड़ेगा। एक आइडिया आपके पास तब आएगा व्हेन यू हैव द नॉलेज ऑफ डिफरेंट सेक्टर्स। तो डिफरेंट सेक्टर की नॉलेज कैसे होगी, लाइक आई एम अ बीटेक स्टूडेंट एंड आई एम हैविंग नॉलेज ऑफ आईटी, तो जो मेरा सर्कल है, मेरे फ्रेंड्स है, सो दे विल लाइक वो सब लोग आईटी की बात करेंगे। एंड अगर कोई मेरा दोस्त है विच इज लाइक एमबीए, तो ही विल गेट टू नो मी अबाउट एमबीए। लाइक मेरा कोई फ्रेंड है विच इज इन लॉ, तो इफ आई एक्सप्लोर द थिंग्स अराउंड मी, मैं अलग अलग डोमेन्स के लोगों से बातें करूंगा, देन आई गेट टू नो देयर प्रॉब्लम्स आल्सो, और वहां से मुझे शायद पता चले कि मेरा रियल इंटरेस्ट क्या है। बिकॉज अगर मैं अभी पूछूं कि लाइक आपका इंटरेस्ट किस चीज में, तो लाइक 50% ही लोग होंगे जो बता पाएंगे कि आई एम इंटरेस्ट इन दिस फील्ड, दिस पर्टिकुलर फील्ड। मैं ऐसे नहीं बोल रहा हूँ 4-5 डोमेन्स पता है, एक डोमेन आपको मुश्किल हो जाएगा बताना। बट इफ यू हैव द नॉलेज, इफ यू हैव द राइट नॉलेज, देन यू विल गेट टू नो कि मेरा इस चीज में इंटरेस्ट है। सो यू हैव टू ब्रॉडन योर नॉलेज बाय नेटवर्किंग, बाय मीटिंग डिफरेंट पीपल, एंड जितने भी लोग हैं, आपके छोटे भाई बहन हो गए, पेरेंट्स हो गए, टीचर्स, मेंटर्स, एंड जो भी आपको मिलता है, यू हैव टू जस्ट सीक फॉर नॉलेज। आप उनसे डिस्कशन करिए एंड इंक्रीज योर नॉलेज, बिकॉज नॉलेज कब काम आएगा यू नेवर नो, बट ये पूरे लॉन्ग टर्म प्रोसेस है। एट एनी स्टेज ऑफ लाइफ यू शुड हैव नॉलेज। द थर्ड थिंग इज दैट लर्न टू आस्क क्वेश्चंस। अब ये जो एक पॉइंट है, ये बहुत अच्छा पॉइंट है। लाइक अगर मैं आपको बताऊं लर्न टू आस्क क्वेश्चंस क्या होता है, हाँ, आपने देखा होगा आपकी लाइफ में बहुत सारे ऐसे लोग होंगे जिनसे आपको जब आप मिलने जाते हैं, आपके वो टीचर हो सकते हैं, पेरेंट्स हो सकते हैं, बॉस हो सकता है, कोई भी हो सकता है, वो ऐसा नहीं है कि आप पे चिल्लाएंगे या डांटेंगे, बट आपको उनसे मिलते समय एक डर होता है, एक एंजाइटी होती है कि यार उनसे मिलूंगा तो क्या होगा। दैट इज बिकॉज जब आप उनके साथ में होते हैं, दे हैव द स्किल सेट टू आस्क द राइट क्वेश्चन। लाइक आपने उनको एक प्रेजेंटेशन दी, आपने उनको फाइनेंशियल रिपोर्ट्स दी, आपने मंथली रिपोर्ट दी, अब उसके बाद भी आपको जो डर होता है, दैट इज बिकॉज दे हैव अ एबिलिटी टू आस्क द राइट क्वेश्चन। वो आप पे चिल्लाएंगे नहीं, आपको डांटेंगे नहीं, बट जो वो क्वेश्चन पूछेंगे, दैट क्वेश्चंस इज लाइक यार ये कैसे सोचने उन्होंने। सो दैट इज अ थिंग व्हिच वी हैव टू लर्न इन द लॉन्ग टर्म, कि हाउ वी कैन बिकम लाइक दैट, कि हम अपने आप में वो स्किल कैसे लेके आए कि मैं जो क्वेश्चन पूछूं दैट इज द परफेक्ट क्वेश्चन, लाइक वो क्वेश्चन और जो आपको 90% ऑफ द पॉपुलेशन से अलग बना दे। सो दीज आर द 3 थिंग्स व्हिच ड्राइव अस फॉर इंस्पिरेशन। सो वी हैव डिस्कस लाइक इंस्पिरेशन कहां से आएगी। आपके पास इंस्पिरेशन आ गई, इंस्पिरेशन से आपके पास आइडिया आ गया, क्या दिस इज द आइडिया और इतना इंटरेस्ट है, इसमें मेरे को वर्क करना चाहिए। अब बस सबसे बड़ा क्वेश्चन आता है कि स्टार्टअप ही क्यों करना है। मतलब एक सिंपल क्वेश्चन है, मैं एक जॉब के लिए जा सकता हूँ विच इज सिक्योर्ड, अगर मैं गवर्नमेंट जॉब के लिए जाऊंगा दैट इज वेरी मच सिक्योर्ड, इफ आई गो फॉर प्राइवेट जॉब दैट इज सिक्योर विद सो मच बेनिफिट्स, बट इन अ स्टार्टअप आपको ये नहीं पता कि वो चलेगा या बंद हो जाएगा, या फिर उसकी लाइफ क्या है, या फिर उसमें मैं अपनी बेसिक खर्चा भी निकाल पाऊंगा, अगर मैं निकालूंगा ब्रेक इवन कब आएगा, बहुत सारे क्वेश्चन आते हैं हमारे दिमाग में भी, बहुत सारे क्वेश्चन आज की डेट में भी है बहुत सारे, तो वो हमें समझना पड़ेगा स्टार्टअप क्यों करना है। तो अगर हम बेसिक दो एस्पेक्ट में बात करें कि स्टार्टअप का आउटकम क्या हो सकता है, दैट इज सक्सेस और फेलियर, सिंपल। तो सक्सेस आप सबको पता है, सक्सेस के जो प्रोज होते हैं लाइक मनी, फेम, एवरीथिंग एल्स, जो भी आप सोच सकते हैं सक्सेस के साथ एसोसिएटेड है, वो सब आ जाएगा सक्सेस में। बट स्टार्टअप इज अ थिंग जहां पर इफ योर स्टार्टअप गेट्स फेल्ड, देन ऑल्सो यू विल गेट टू लर्न अ लॉट ऑफ थिंग्स, बिकॉज यू हैव रन अ कंपनी, आपने कंपनी चलाई है, तो आपको पता है उसके अंदर कितने लेवल्स होते हैं, उसके अंदर कितने रोल्स होते हैं। लाइक इन अ स्टार्टअप एवरीडे योर रोल चेंजेस, लाइक आज आप सीईओ हैं, कल आप एचआर हेड होंगे, फिर अकाउंटेंट, फिर ऑफिस बॉय, लाइक आपको डेली बेसिस पे रोल्स चेंज होंगे। सो इफ योर स्टार्टअप फेल्स, लाइक अगर हम मान के चले कि स्टार्टअप फेल भी होता है, बट देन ऑल्सो आप एक बहुत अच्छे इंप्लॉय बन के, मतलब आप कभी इंप्लॉयमेंट के लिए जाएंगे, देन इट विल बी अ बेनिफिट फॉर यू, बिकॉज 90% ऑफ द पीपल ने सिर्फ कोई एक डोमेन एक्सप्लोर करा है, दे हैवंट एक्सप्लोर्ड द अदर डोमेन्स। सो इफ यू हैव रन अ स्टार्टअप एंड इट फेल्स, then also you have a benefit because you are a very good employee compared to the rest of the population. So that is the pro of a startup if it fails also. So now as we have, yes, yeah, so as we have gone, as we have seen कि startup करने से like there is only benefit, there is no loss. So now let's understand कि if I have done a, like if I want to execute my idea, so अब इसके क्या प्रोसेस है, like आपको execute करना है, तो what is the basic pointers जो आपको नोट करनी चाहिए। सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल यू हैव टू सर्च फॉर अ गैप इन द मार्केट, कि भाई मार्केट में अगर कोई दिक्कत है तभी मैं उसके बारे में कुछ लाइक उसको इनोवेट कर सकता हूँ, या उसको मतलब उसमें कोई टेक्नोलॉजी इंप्लीमेंट कर सकता हूँ। और गैप इन द मार्केट तब पता चलेगा इफ आई हैव द नॉलेज बेस, सिंपल। तो उसके लिए जैसे प्रीवियस स्लाइड में हमने देखा, you have to talk to different personalities, you have to talk to different domains of people, जहां से हमको पता चले अलग अलग मार्केट सेगमेंट में चीजें वर्क कैसी कर रही हैं। तो वहां से मुझे गैप पता चलेगा, मार्केट में गया, कस्टमर डिमांड पता चलेगी। अब मुझे उस डिमांड के साथ में देखना पड़ेगा कि क्या वो मेरे इंटरेस्ट से अलाइंड है, बिकॉज क्या होगा जब आप स्टार्टअप स्टार्ट करेंगे तब तो बहुत अच्छा लगेगा, बिकॉज लाइक आपको बहुत सारा रिकॉग्निशन मिल जाएगा इफ यू सक्सीड इन द इनिशियल लेवल्स। बट प्रॉब्लम तब आती है व्हेन द लोज अराइव, जब लो आते हैं ना, जब आपके पास सैलरी के पैसे नहीं होंगे, आपके पास ऑफिस रेंट के पैसे नहीं होंगे, आपके पास लाइक बेसिक ऑपरेशन के पैसे नहीं होंगे, बट देन ऑल्सो यू हैव टू सर्वाइव। तब जो आपका इंटरेस्ट था, जब आपका पैशन था, उस समय वो काम आएगा कि आप उस फेज से भी अपने स्टार्टअप को, अपनी कंपनी को निकाल के लेके जाएंगे एंड वापस यू विल राइज। सो दो सबसे मतलब बेसिक दो चीजें, बहुत सारे फैक्टर्स इन एमबीए बुक्स यू कैन लर्न, मतलब बहुत सारे पॉइंटर्स होते हैं कि क्या क्या स्टार्टअप स्टार्ट में, बट ये जो बेसिक दो पॉइंटर्स हैं, गैप फाइंड कर लो आप और आपका इंटरेस्ट है, देन यू कैन एग्जीक्यूट योर आइडिया, सिंपल एज दैट। सो नाउ लेट अस कम टू द पॉइंट, that what is the idea behind Igniter? Like we started Igniter in 2019, तो इसके पीछे का आइडिया क्या था? तो आप देख रहे होंगे जो नाम itself Ignited, it's a very different word, because अगर मैं आपको बताऊं कि इस वर्ड के पीछे का मीनिंग क्या है, तो you can see like it is made up of two words, ignite plus e, as you can all, मतलब आप सबको पता है ignite words come from ignite, मतलब ignite word is derived by like ignition you can see in various different engines, like कार में होता है, बाइक में होता है, इन मतलब बहुत सारी चीजों में होता है। तो अगर मैं एक बेसिक एग्जांपल बताऊं, रॉकेट, आपने रॉकेट देखा होगा, रॉकेट इज यूज्ड टू लॉन्च सैटेलाइट इनटू स्पेस। सो अगर मैं कंसीडर करूं सैटेलाइट इज योर बिजनेस एंड टू लॉन्च योर बिजनेस इनटू द न्यू कस्टमर पूल, दे नीड्स इग्निशन। सो बेसिकली इग्नाइटर का कांसेप्ट ये है, इफ योर बिजनेस इज स्ट्रगलिंग विद द कस्टमर्स, then we are there to help you to boost up your business. That is the basic concept of, we will basically ignite your business. And why the word E? Because it is all digital. So from there we came to the word named as Igniter for our basic startup name. So we are into branding and marketing. So briefly I will explain you what we do is that like in the field of this service industry, they need creativity, professionalism under a low budget. So what we have done is that we have cracked the basic formula, like we are very creative with professional aspect, and we deliver the things in very less budget. That is high creativity, professionalism with very less budget. So which makes us different from the rest of the competitors. So this was a basic story, what was our motivation, what was our inspiration to start and how we started. So the very important thing which every startup or every person experience in his or her life is that the first hook, the first break which he or she got. So अगर आपको बताऊं the first hook हमें कहाँ से मिला, तो there was an event in Medicaps University itself, E-Summit, which was the very successful event of Medicaps. उसमें you have seen like बहुत सारे speakers आए थे, बहुत अच्छी networking हुई थी, like we got an opportunity to work in E-Summit. So after in E-Summit itself there was the title sponsor named Enrise. You have seen, अगर आप Medicap से आपको पता होगा Enrise में Saiji Rao just road cross करके है. So the Enrise was the first hook which we got. So now I would like to invite Saumil to explain it further.
Hi, thank you, Ankit. Hello, am I audible?
Yes, Saumil, you are very much audible. Continue.
Thank you, ma'am. So yeah, so as Ankit said, we got the first look after हमने collectively event कराया E-Summit में. We the 4 people met there. Then we got the opportunity to work with Enrise by Sayaji. So it was a very big challenge to us because we were having the experience of only E-Summit, how to conduct an event, और हमें उसमें पता चला कि what problems occur. So yeah, we encountered those, and that was a very big event because it was the 31st New Year event that was about more than 30, that generated more than 30 plus lakhs of revenue. So yeah, and as you all guys know, कि वो December का time होता है, there are end semester exams that we are having. Then we are having at the end semester exams, so that we have to submit all the assignments, we have to manage the attendance. We used to go from college around 3 PM or 5 PM, then go to Enrise by Sayaji. Then at रात को बस लेके फिर घर जाते थे 9 to 10. And after we completed our assignment, and this is how we manage the things. So here the basic point that I wanted to explain is कि at that time we all got to know कि हम लोग किस तरीके से हमारी टीम के साथ हम काम कर सकते हैं, like how collectively we can work as a team. Like हम लोगों को पता चला कि okay, मेरे पार्टनर की एक्सपर्टाइज ये है, and that was matters in a startup. Like I cannot do the whole thing. Yeah, I cannot accompany myself in each and everything because obviously every person has a limit. So every person does not have expertise in everything. So that what matters in startup. The utmost thing is matters is your team, and you should have a trust on your team. कि आप हाँ ठीक है, मैंने अगर आपको कुछ चीजें आपके पार्टनर पर छोड़नी पड़ेगी, that would be his or her decision. So this is what matters. So this is basically what matters in the startup, and we got to know कि हम लोग किस तरीके से struggle कर सकते हैं, किस तरीके से out of our comfort zone हम लोग काम कर सकते हैं. At that time also we got Marriott. We're working with Marriott and MTV. There was a party that MTV organized in Indore Marriott Hotel. So हमें उनके साथ भी काम करने का मौका मिला. That was bigger challenge. We were their design partners. We didn't know कि अच्छा ये कैसे design करने के लिए, but somehow we managed to design all those things. But at the end, on 31st, when we achieved this, ये हमने party कराई, that was worth more than 30 lakh plus. We worked with Marriott and MTV. So then there was one bubble created around us. That was like a bubble of success. Like we thought कि on 31st of December, we have in the span of two months, we have worked with Sayaji, we have worked with Marriott, we have worked with MTV. So it's like a very huge achievement for us. So it created a bubble of success around us. That was like, okay, from now on, we'll pitch to the clients, we'll go to the clients, they'll take our services, we'll be earning money, we'll be doing crores of revenue in the span of 5 to 6 months. So that was a bubble that created around us. But that's not true. That's not how things happen. We then after that when we thought कि हमको ये सब मिल जाएगा, but for that till 2 months there was zero business that we attained. Like in the month of January 2020 and February 2020, we attained zero business. So हमें लगा कि okay, we create like a bubble of success was created around us. हमें लग रहा था कि this is how market works, but that is not the thing, because एक event कराना at that time was an achievement for us. But बहुत लोग वो चीज मार्केट में कर रहे हैं. So then we understood कि okay, this is not the thing. We have to struggle. We have to take some little small baby steps जो कि हमें कुछ हमारे अलग-अलग goals achieve करने में help करेगी. So at that time we had the zero business, but the most important thing we learned out of it was कि we never quit. हम लोगों ने वो सिचुएशंस फेस करी, लाइक वी वर नॉट हैविंग एनी काइंड ऑफ रेवेन्यू, वी वर नॉट, हम क्लाइंट से मीटिंग करते थे, कुछ रिस्पॉन्ड करते थे, कुछ नहीं करते थे, सम ऑफ देम रिजेक्टेड अस, एंड कुछ लोगों ने मीटिंग भी नहीं की. So at that time, but we did not quit. जैसा अंकित ने आपको बोला कि there are lows, and the lows, आप उस lows में से आपकी कंपनी को किस तरीके से आप उसको लेके जा सकते हो through your passion. That what matters in the startup, and that is the beauty of entrepreneurship. That is the beauty, that is the spirit that an entrepreneur should have. So yeah, we फिर थोड़ा सा हमारा आफ्टर दैट जनवरी एंड फरवरी हमने लोकल क्लाइंट्स पिच करे, जब हमने चीजें स्टार्ट करी, वी स्टार्टेड पिचिंग पीपल कि हम ये सर्विसेज प्रोवाइड करते हैं इन द मार्केट. देन वी गॉट आवर सेकंड ब्रेक इन द मार्च. So yeah, the second break was of the first invoice we cleared was of rupees 328 in March 2020. So like आप लोग लग रहा होगा कि in December we created हमने एक event करा that was more than 30 lakh plus, and then in March we created an invoice of 328 rupees. So there are ups and lows in a startup, but the main thing is you have to keep hustling. You do not have to quit with the situations. And obviously, trust your team, if you have confidence in your team and your product, you will go through any of these low circumstances, right? So after this break, we started working with a multi-nutrition man, and this was the first invoice. This was the first payment we got. But then in March 2020, as we all know, at the end of March 2020, COVID hit and the pandemic hit, and we all were locked down. सब लोग घर पे बैठे थे, and we all know the scenario की किस तरीके से लोगों के businesses रुके, किस तरीके से startups के operation रुके. Everyone was affected. Either it was a job person, or was an entrepreneur, or was a businessman, shop owner, salesman. Everyone was affected. So उस time में, but we encountered COVID-19 breakdown as an opportunity. How we took it as an opportunity. So I would like to call Sarthak. He'll tell you कि हमने COVID-19 को how we converted into an opportunity for us.
Okay, so guys, the thing was, just a minute. Yeah. So basically what happened is when we started with the event in December, and in January and February, it was a time where we found out that it was a bubble of success. And then what happened was we found a way to reach out to offline clients. Okay. At that point of time, we were having a method so that we had a multi-nutrition band, and then we thought that we are going to follow this standard operating procedure and approach to new clients, more and more clients. So at that point of time, we were getting into a habit where we can work offline with the clients, and from total initial level, our only approach was the offline approach. But once COVID-19 came, it was a time where we can had an
Some issue, I guess. We'll wait for a second.
Okay.
Sarthak? Sarthak?
सौमिल ना
नहीं, सार्थक बोल रहा था बेसिकली अभी. मे बी उसके नेट में कोई प्रॉब्लम आई है.
Let me call him.
मे बी लाइट भी जा सकती है, ऐसा हो सकता है.
हेलो.
हाँ हाँ
हाँ सर, एक्चुअली यहाँ पे थोड़ा सा पावर कट हो गया था.
हाँ हाँ, ओके ओके, नो प्रॉब्लम, गो अहेड.
am I audible?
हाँ, very much audible, Sarthak.
Yeah. So basically, it was a time where we can come up with an excuse that it's COVID-19. Let's quit. Let's start after once the situation gets over, and then we are going to go ahead. But we thought that let's continue with the opportunity, and let's hit the clients. And then what we did was we tried to approach each and everybody across the globe with the online mediums, whatever there were. So basically it included Fiverr website, freelancers, freelancer.com, and there were a lot of websites. And it was the major role which played was LinkedIn. So basically LinkedIn is quite tough. What people say in college, we do not take LinkedIn very seriously, but LinkedIn is a very, very good tool. If I'll say, if you want to find a job, if you want to find a client, if you want to find an opportunity, if you want to find a partner, LinkedIn is the best platform which you can utilize. And we also, got ahead with the LinkedIn, and we got ahead with other platforms as well. And then we got an opportunity to work with 5paisa. So 5paisa is a multinational, it's a limited company with more than, it's India's largest stockbroker. And our, KRA KPI was doing the branding and marketing for 5paisa. And it was a very, very big opportunity because it was a finance brand. Earlier, we only worked with the hospitality industry. And now we have to go into the finance industry as well. And we are engineers. We are not having knowledge about finance. But what we did was, like Ankit mentioned, broaden your knowledge. We all were into the stocks and share market, and then we got that knowledge, we analyzed it, we did research and development, and then we got ahead with 5paisa, and we did the branding and marketing part. I used to go ahead with the further presentation.
So, like lockdown has adversely affected the hotel industries. We got to work with we got the opportunity to work with Sayaji Hotels. So we got a project to design a food ordering process of 13 different hotels all over the India. That too in 5 days. It was a challenge for us because we didn't have that much work power at that time. So it was a big challenge for us. And then after the completion of this project, we acquired 90% of the 5-star hotel market of Indore. Like with that portfolio, we then acquired Marriott and then Radisson and so on. Now I would like to call Ankit to.
Yeah, so that was the basic brief which Ayush gave you, like how we got an opportunity to work with Sayaji, like जिससे आपको सोमेन ने बताया था starting में कि we got to work with Enrise. So Enrise is a part of Sayaji Group only. So Sayaji Group gave us an opportunity by seeing our efforts on the 31st. What we have done. So आप यहाँ पे देख सकते हैं कि एक नेटवर्किंग हाउ इट प्लेज अ मेजर रोल. हमको 7 महीने बाद एक अपॉर्चुनिटी मिली जब हमने एनरेज में काम किया था. देन वी गॉट टू वर्क विद द होल साइज ग्रुप. सो इन द इनिशियल लेवल एज वी टॉक कि देयर आर ओनली माइलस्टोन्स एंड लर्निंग इन द वे देयर इज नथिंग कॉल्ड सक्सेस. सो आई वांट टू शेयर द बेसिक माइलस्टोन्स व्हिच वी हैव achieved till now. That is, in the year 2019 we started Igniter. In the year 1920, as we already discussed, like we worked for Enrise by Sayaji and we generated 30+ lakh of revenues for Enrise. In the year 2020, when the pandemic hit, we got an opportunity in May to digitalize the whole food ordering process of 13+ Sayaji hotels across pan India. In 2020, we successfully managed to pre-open Enrise by Sayaji Pune. It is basically a 4-star hotel. You can locate it at Pune. It is also property of Sayaji. In the year 2020 October, we acquired 90% of the 5-star hotel market share in Indore. Like we were working with all the big brands, Marriott, Sayaji, Radisson, Wow, like every other brand which you can name. So the 90% of the market of 5-star hotels was acquired by Igniter. In the year 2021 January, we successfully managed to pre-open another hotel, which is Jardin Hotels. It is like having 5+ hotels across India. It is a basic. It is launched recently only in January. And in year 2021 May, we are currently working with WazirX NFT marketplace. As you all know, crypto is on such a boom. So उसी का एक implementation है which is called NFT. So WazirX has launched its NFT marketplace. So we are managing their whole campaigning. We are like doing everything for their WazirX NFT marketplace. So these were the few milestones which we have achieved till now. There are a lot more to achieve basically. हम इस year में और भी like we have bigger milestones to achieve. So this was the basic overview or like basic brief about Igniter, like how we started, क्या downfall थे, कहाँ पर हमको एक success जैसा feel हुआ, but it was not the success. कहाँ पे हम एक bubble में trap हो गए थे, हमको लगा like we have achieved something, but that was not true. So these were the ups and downs जो अभी तक हमने face किए. So this was all from our side. So thank you.
Thank you so very much, Ankit, and your team members. But we would like to hear from you all that how you have that idea came to you for the first time as per your academic career. कौन से ईयर में आपको ये आइडिया जनरेट हुआ और किस तरह से आप इसको आगे लेकर के गए, कैसे आपने अपनी टीम बनाई? आवर पार्टिसिपेंट्स वुड लाइक
इग्नाइटर के सेट so ma'am agar if I would like to explain ke idea kab aaya, so we were in second year, like actually me and Ayush are from information technology department and Somil and Sarthik is from EC department. So basically me and Ayush were having, like Ayush was having a keen interest in graphic designing basically. So kya hua, he was used to work as a freelancer for many other businesses, but ek problem kya hoti hai, freelancers are very underpaid. So we saw opportunity there कि like freelancers को एक अच्छा platform क्यों नहीं मिल रहा है? That is because they don't have a portfolio. So like from there we got an idea कि why not make something for brands, like make a pitch for a brand, like make a wholesale service, like we can offer each and everything by connecting to different people. Like अगर मैं Medicaps University में बात करूँ, there are many people जिनका अपना खुद का particular skill set है, but अगर वो अपना particular skill set जाएंगे sell करने market में, then the value will be very very low, and a particular company will also not entertain them, because आजकल companies को चाहिए one stop solution. Like अगर if you are in the market and if you are offering a one stop solution, then you are very welcome. Like आपको बहुत जल्दी break मिल जाएगा. और अगर आप किसी एक सर्विस के साथ जाएंगे तो प्रॉब्लम में आती है आजकल businesses single services, because like they have to interact with different vendors. So what we have done is that we have combined like 20 plus services in our portfolio, where we have gathered a team of like 20 plus members who are expert in their own field. So what we do is that हम लोग सारी सर्विसेज को कंबाइन करके, अब सारी सर्विसेज को कंबाइन करने में एक बेनिफिट कंपनी को ये होता है कि पॉइंट ऑफ कांटेक्ट एक सिंगल पर्सन होता है, एंड फ्रॉम दैट पर्टिकुलर कंपनी वो सारी सर्विसेज अवेल कर सकते हैं, which helps in their GST as well, which helps in their finance as well, and which helps in their overall process. लेकिन तो टाइम बैरियर भी कम हो जाता है, तो ये एक फायदा है. वहां से हमको सेकंड ईयर में आइडिया था कि why not to concise all the services in a single domain. So from there we got an idea to start doing it basically.
I would also like to add a point. So basically, what happened was it was a time where me and Somil were thinking to like we both are classmates and Ankit and Ayush are classmates. We didn't know each other, so it was a time where we thought like let's join ECEL and let's do an event E-Summit. Let's participate in it. And then we thought like let's execute the event. There me, Somil, Ayush, Ankit, Ayush were heading the design and the marketing team, and we both were handling the public relations at that point of time and bringing sponsors. So it was a time where we had a very crisp brief about each other that Ankit and Ayush are doing something and we both are doing something. Then the opportunity came in the hand of Ankit about the Enrise by Sayaji hotels, and we four met at in the college campus again accidentally. And at that point of time, Ankit told like Sarthak and Somil, it's a time where we got an opportunity. Would you like to be a part of it? And we came up with the idea Igniter, that all the services we can offer to Sayaji. Then we had a very brainstorming session, and it was a time where when we made the decision that let's do this event, we were not having any information about financials. We were not having any information that what kind of collaboration are we going to do with Sayaji hotels, and we were not having any kind of information. But the risk was our end semester exams were going to start after a week. So either we could have made a decision that let's skip this opportunity, because end semester exam also matters. College examination is the utmost priority if you are in college. So we could have made decision that either we can have full concentration in our end semester examination, either we can go up with the event. But the third decision which we made was let's concentrate on end semester examination when we are having time, and when we are not having time, when we are having rest of the time, let's concentrate on the event. And the part was like our examination was going on like today. If me and Somil are going to have exam, tomorrow Ankit and Ayush is going to have exam. So it was like if today we both are having exam, so Ankit and Ayush used to go to Sayaji, and then tomorrow me and Somil used to go to Sayaji. And it was like we four cannot even meet together, and in night we used to have the Google meeting, Zoom meeting, and we used to discuss that what all we have to do. So this is how we executed the whole event. And this is how we, got into examination at 6 a.m. in the college. We used to meet together, and then we used to discuss for 1 hour that we have to do this, and this. And we were not having any other team member. It was all only 4 of us.
Oh, that's great. That's great. Really, I should appreciate all your efforts and what all you are doing. Is, I would say, it's a passion which drives you to work together and to achieve something. So I request, dear participants, you may interact with the founders. It's a great opportunity for you all to directly talk to them, ask your questions. You can ask whatever you have in your mind that will really drive you to do something in your academic time. So anybody want to interact with the founders, they may raise your hands or they may put their questions in the chat box.
आप अपने चैट बॉक्स में क्वेश्चन जो है पुट अप कर सकते हैं so that they will answer the questions. Participants.
Yes, Sarthak. Sir, please unmute him.
Good morning, sir. Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, Sarthak.
So yes, basically, yes. I had this question that how much workforce do we really need at the beginning of any startup, and what can be the possible challenges faced by the lack of proper workforce, or should I say the lack of structured workforce?
Okay. So like जो आपका question है, you are asking like what, like I'll repeat your question. What is the minimum to start with?
Yeah, exactly.
Correct. Yeah. So actually, अगर मैं आपको बताऊं, तो if you are having any idea, so what basically is that आपके पास एक idea है and then you go to the execution level. So इसके बीच में क्या आता है? इसके बीच में तो strategy come. You have to explore different aspect, like what will be your consumers. आपके पास कहाँ से, like I'm taking an example of you. If you are selling something, तो आपको देखना पड़ेगा what are your audiences, from where are you getting the product, and इसके बीच में what is the workforce which is required. So startup में सबसे basic thing जो अभी तक हमने experience करी है, professional hiring doesn't work at the initial level. You have to build a network of your friends, your family, and you have to offer them some share or some percentage so that they can associate with you, because at initial level we are not having any financials to distribute, because if I will go for a professional person, they will ask for salary because they have their house to eat. So starting में what we have to do is that we have to build a network. So अब आपको अगर network बनाना, there are two possibilities. You have to search for your classmate, like if you are in a particular department, उसमें जो आपके friends हैं, if they are having the similar interest, then you can go for them. If they are having a similar interest, plus they are having some skill set which you require. So at initial levels, if you want to start up with a limited workforce, you have to build a MVP, that is minimum viable product, which is that कि आपने एक product बनाया, अब वो मतलब MVP basically होता है कि just आप initial में जब market में जा रहे हैं तो वो work कर रहा है कि नहीं कर रहा है. You have to build a MVP basically. और उस MVP को build करने में कितने लोग चाहिए, you have to search around you only, which is university, college, or you have to search for your family, friends. वहीं से you have to initial जो आपकी workforce आएगी वहाँ से आएगी. After stage 1, you can go for professional hiring, and there are many platforms which you can use. Because अगर मैं आपको हमारा भी example बताऊं, so we are from Medicaps University. Like Ayush is from IT and I'm from IT, and then we got to meet Swamil and Sarthak, which are from Medicaps University. So this is how you build a network around yourself. So आपको start करना है तो you have to search around you.
Okay. Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Ankit, there is one question in the chat box. You may answer that also. Should I read?
Yes, ma'am. I can see the chat box. Yes, ma'am. What's the question? Actually, I cannot see.
You cannot see. Okay, I'll let you know.
Yes, ma'am.
How do you improvise your channeling? So Nandika Maheshwari asked the question, how do you improvise your channeling?
Okay, that's a good question. So basically, अगर आपको बताऊं, in a startup, actually, if you are having a stabilized company or if you are having a stabilized venture, वहाँ पे benefits क्या होता है? वहाँ पे processes are predefined, like SOPs are made, everything is there to follow up. Like you have to just join and you have to follow. But like if we are doing a startup, we have to make our own SOPs, we have to make our ओन KPIs क्या आ रहे हैं, लाइक आपको खुद सब चीज डेवलप करनी पड़ेगी। तो इसमें जो सबसे जो मेजर एस्पेक्ट आता है, जब आप किसी प्रोसेस को एग्जीक्यूट करते हो, सो आफ्टर एग्जीक्यूटिंग दैट प्रोसेस, द बेस्ट प्रैक्टिस विच यू कैन डू इज दैट, उस प्रोसेस को एग्जीक्यूट करने के बाद उस प्रोसेस में कहाँ पे दिक्कत आई है वो आपको नोट डाउन करनी है। अब दिक्कत के दो एस्पेक्ट है, एक क्लाइंट साइड से क्या दिक्कत आई है और हमारे साइड से क्या दिक्कत आई है। वो दो मैंने दिक्कत करी, आइडेंटिफाई की, क्लाइंट साइड पे ये प्रॉब्लम है एंड आपके साइड पे ये प्रॉब्लम आई है, ताकि जब मैं नेक्स्ट टाइम कुछ चीज करने जाऊं तब मेरे को ये वाली दिक्कतें वापस नहीं रिपीट करनी है। तो यू हैव टू मेक अ बेसिक चेकलिस्ट कि इन दिस प्रोसेस मैंने ये दिक्कतें एनकाउंटर करी थी, ताकि इन दिक्कतों को मैं नेक्स्ट प्रोसेस में रिपीट ना करूं। तब जब आप देखेंगे ओवर अ पीरियड ऑफ 2 मंथ, 3 मंथ, 6 मंथ्स, आपको जो प्रॉपर चैनल है इट विल बी इम्प्रूव्ड फ्रॉम द डे 1। अगर आप उसको डे 1 से कंपेयर करेंगे तो आपका प्रोसेस बहुत ज्यादा इम्प्रूव्ड हो चुका होगा। बट हाँ, ये प्रोसेस आपको एवरी वीक, एवरी डे करनी पड़ेगी। स्टार्टिंग में इट विल नॉट लुक इफेक्टिव, आपको लगेगा यार सेम प्रोसेस है, लाइक इन द प्रोसेस वन मैंने सिर्फ एक चीज चेंज करी, बट आप उसको स्पैन ऑफ 6 मंथ्स पे जब देखेंगे, द प्रोसेस इज लाइक आपकी प्रोसेस 5 पॉइंटर पे थी, इट इज नाउ कम ऑन टू द पॉइंटर नंबर 8। तो इट इज अ लॉन्ग टर्म प्रोसेस, आपको सारी छोटी छोटी गलतियां रेक्टिफाई करनी है, एंड इन द नेक्स्ट स्टेज यू हैव टू just don't repeat those mistakes. So by doing that your whole process will get channelized, और over the time आपका channel अच्छा हो जाएगा। I would not say कोई channel perfect होगा, because if you see the bigger companies also, वहां पर भी challenges हैं, but उनकी भी सेम प्रैक्टिस है। लाइक आपने देखा होगा, लाइक दे हैव अ कंट्रोल ओवर, लाइक Amazon से अगर कुछ डिलीवरी आती है, they ask for the feedback. So there are two feedback basically, internal feedback also and an external feedback. So they feed forward that feedback and they improve their channel in the long term.
Yeah, I would like to add a point in this. So yeah, basically, don't try to like. I just wanted to add in the Ankit's point कि जैसे channel एक over the time है, so it's just that कि don't try to channelize and to make the SOP for each and everything in the start only. Like don't basically don't create the barriers from your side कि जब तक ये चीज channelize नहीं होगी, we will not start, or मैं product market में कैसे ले जाऊंगा, something like Ankit said, this is the process of MVP, आपको MVP बनाने दिए समझते। So don't try to channelize everything. हाँ, कुछ basic points है that you have to make a checklist कि हाँ ये हो गया, you have the confidence on your product, because sometimes you have to go with the flow. Like अगर हम बात करें कि in 2020 आपने जनवरी फरवरी में कुछ initial stage पे चीजें channelize की, then COVID happened, so everything got like rotated by 180 degrees, सब कुछ उल्टा हो गया था। So that time आपकी channel वो चीज हो जाएगी। Sometimes you have to go with the flow. तो initial level पे don't try to make everything channelized and everything. Like you can see, जो आज अब जाकर in MNCs and big companies there are processes that are channelized because they have their budget, they have the people who can channelize these things. So yeah, try to go with the flow, have the confidence in your product or service or whatever you are offering to the company. Then of course, so cheeze by the time it will automatically get channelized. Thanks.
That's good, Ankit and Ayush, for your valuable comments. So any other question? I would invite other questions if you have.
एक और क्वेश्चन है मैडम उसमें, चैट बॉक्स में एक और क्वेश्चन है शायद।
Sir, I just read out that. Sir, no, there is no other question. Sir, you read it, sir, please. Sir.
एक क्वेश्चन था, there is one question: how would you do the market analysis, the requirement, the current solution, and how much they are your potential customers? का कुछ लिखा हुआ, how much there are your potential customers? How do you do the market analysis? And
basically what
I think the question is, how do you recognize your potential customers and marketing it?
Okay, so basically what happens is when we have to analyze that what kind of requirement the market is having. So what you have to do is you have to do research. Okay, now the research involves, first of all, you have to find your niche domain. Okay, what is your niche? Let's say, for example, my niche is video editing. Okay, yeah, my niche is video creation. So what I have to find is that what all companies are creating the videos. Okay, now it can be involved, like it can be an HDFC bank, it can be a Kotak bank, it can be any startup, it can be IT companies. Let's say IT companies produces videos for the clients for which they produce software. Okay, so now you have identified that you are into video creation. You have identified these are the companies who require video on a longer period of time. At that point of time, now you have to identify that what kind of video requirement are they having and are you able to create it or not. Okay, now you have to find out first of all your niche, then you have to find out that what people require, and then you have to find out that what kind of specific requirement are they having. Once you find out that your niche is, particular this element, then you find out that this is your target audience, like who all require your services, or who all are taking these services since a longer period of time. Then you have to find out that what specific requirement are they having. Once you find out that, then you have to create a pitch deck, that how to pitch the client. Okay, so now this is the whole process, wholesome process, that how you create. Now I'll give you one more example that this cannot be implemented if you are having a product which you are going to implement in market. Okay, now I'll give you that how you can work out with a product. Now I have talked about services. Now for product industry, it is a little different. That works out like, first of all, you have to find out that what your product is, accomplishing, or your product is solving a problem or not. If your product is not solving any kind of problem which is existing in the industry, then it is of no use, to be very frank. You have to either upgrade the quality of the product, either you have to come out with something new. Like, let's say, I'll give you an example of Zomato. So what used to happen was, when there was no Zomato, so there was a time period where you never thought that delivery can happen at your home. Now you want to eat something, you want to go to Sarafa, so you won't order online. There was no platform to order online. So what Zomato identified is, like, people want delivery at home, and they want it at cheaper cost. Okay, and they can order from any restaurant. So they helped to solve a problem. Now they found out that there is a problem, that there is no delivery system which is intact in India. So they came up with the Zomato platform, and then they found out their target audience was the restaurants and you. So basically they spent their marketing budget on, they hired a sales team which used to acquire the restaurants and hotels, and they spent a marketing budget over acquiring the customers. So this is how it works out for a customer. Now, what happened is, this is when you are having a unique product which Zomato came up with. Now what Swiggy does. So what Swiggy came up with, that it will be having better offers, it will be having better service, it will be having better customer relationship. So that's why Swiggy is also working, but they improved the quality. Okay, they are having something unique, that is Swiggy Genie, if you are going to see nowadays. So basically, this is how you can work out with a product industry, that you have to come up with a product which is going to fulfill the gap. And if you are talking about service industry, then you have to find out that what kind of people require your services, who are taking services since a longer period of time. And you have to convince them that your service is going to be better than the previous ones, or it is going to be cheaper than the previous ones.
Thank you, Sarthak. Thank you so very much. Upadhyay sir, you want to ask something? You can unmute yourself, sir.
Yeah. Okay, thank you.
Thank you, sir.
I must thank Mr. Ankit for giving the realistic tips to build a successful startup.
Thank you very much, sir.
Yeah, this is Dr. Upadhyay, Dean Agriculture in Medicaps University. This is not my question. You have given a very realistic tips about start with a solid plan or begin networking soon as possible. Can our students join your network, something like can you make some networking program, something like that for the startups, so that our budding startups, I can say these are the budding startups, that these budding startups can join your network, and so they can learn, and they can start after that they can start their own startups. Because there is some kind of so that they make sure that your startup doesn't fail.
Yes, sir. Actually, yes, sir. After, please complete your points.
My suggestion is, can we make some network type of that provision or something like that, some network projects to start to motivate our students for the startup?
Yes, sir. So surely we can do do that. Actually, अगर मैं आपको बताऊं, we are also associated with eShip Simplified. Mr. Himanshu Goyal, वो भी actually Medicaps University का ही part थी. In the year 2017, he was graduated. So actually, he started his startup, which is basically NSEN, National Student Entrepreneur Network, which is associated with Igniter as well. So in that, what we does is that we go to different colleges and we run a different program to accelerate or to incubate the startups which are there in the university. We are already having a plan. What you're saying that to build a network, because startup is all about networking. So we have that plan also. Like ma'am also know that plan. What is basically NSEN. So yeah, surely we can implement those type of activity in our college as well. By with the help of National Student Entrepreneur Network, we can build a network across the Medicaps University so that budding startup can get some insights of the actual corporate market, so that their startup, so that the chances of success, so the chances of like becoming a big company increases. So yes, we can do that surely.
I would like to complete what also happens is you are going to get mentorship. If you are going to be a part of NSEN, you are going to learn about, you know, what kind of brainstorming sessions you should go through, what kind of problem solving you have to get into your startup. If you are even having an idea you want to execute, or if you are not even having an idea, you just want to feel that what usually it is, how to work in a startup or how to get an idea about a startup. Like we were not, it did not suddenly came up to us that we are having idea of Igniter. But if you want to do startup and if you are not having idea, then too you can be a part of NSEN community, and then you can see that what all activities you can do and how you know, whenever you get an idea, how it can be successful.
Okay, in my opinion, there is that if you can answer two major questions: that what need does your startup address, and why will people care? Okay, so so that know your purpose and then do something you love. That is very important. Believe in yourself. That's another very important for that startup. And then surrounding yourself with the supportive people like Ankit, like that Ankit. Okay, so that's learn from these people, and then our budding startups, they can do something. So thank you.
Thank you, Upadhyay sir, for such a nice suggestions and your inputs for how we can create more startups in the campus. So any other questions from the participants? Please raise your hand if you have any question. Yes, Dimple Agarwal, you can unmute yourself and ask the question.
Yes, ma'am. I wanted to ask, like Sarthak sir and all, they have got the team Igniter. Like they have different people who have talent and different. They have skills and every kind of thing they require in the startup. Like, but to form the startup, like if we have idea too, but if people don't agree to work with us, how to search people? Like,
Okay,
okay, I got your question. I hope the founders also received what she want to ask.
I guess her question was, just a minute.
Her question is like she wanted to ask if she want to do something and she want to make a team of that type, like as you have made your team. So she is not getting the proper people of those type of skill sets. Then how she can approach further? Am I right, Dimple?
So basically what,
yes, ma'am.
Yeah, Dimple. So basically what happens is you never know who can your partner be. What you have to do is, somebody is not agreeing to work, on your idea, or somebody is not appreciating your idea. He is not ever going to work with you. He is not going to give, or she is not going to give 100% of their input. So what you have to do is, if you are having an idea, try executing it. Okay. go on with the process, go on with the ideation, make your idea more strong. Okay, and then what is going to happen, a lot of people are going to come and they are going to say like, I really appreciate your idea, but I cannot work with you because it is time consuming, I have a lot to do. They are not your partners, but eventually after some time you are going to find somebody who can be your partner. Okay, either now basically what happens is a partner does not always involve, a teammate does not always involve to be of your same education level. Let's say for example you are in college, you have started implementing your idea, your ideation is now becoming into an monotonous into economic commercial thing, like you are earning money out of it. Then what happens is a lot of people who are having experience are also going to approach you that, Dimple, now the thing is like we really, I like your idea, can we be a part of your team? So what happens is on initial level everybody is going to be like your idea is pretty good and we really appreciate you. On your back people are going to laugh out at you that how are they going to actually implement their idea, like they are just talking nonsense. And this is, trust me, we have we have seen a lot of times what happens is people on the face are like we really appreciate your idea, you are going to go ahead, and at the back we have heard the communications like how they are just wasting their time. I know that it is going to be unsuccessful. So don't listen to people who are going to talk behind your back. Just start implementing your ideas, start implementing your process, make your foundation element stronger, and you are eventually going to find people.
Okay. Thank you, sir.
In this basically but so basically like you have to increase your sample size in any of the case, like if you are like doing anything like founders ढूंढ रहे हैं, you are looking for the teammates or you are looking for the client. This implies in all the startups and business or in anything you do, you increase your sample size, like basic mathematics. How like you can analyze people, like I've seen people doing कि वो 10 लोगों को approach करते हैं, 10 people like 8 out of 10 people say कि यार startup idea अच्छा नहीं, we cannot do this, 2 लोग बोलते हैं ठीक है अच्छा do it, but then you cannot like get the exact stats of like what you want to do या क्या करना चाहते हो. So always increase your sample size. It's not like कि आप सिर्फ college में ढूंढ रहे हैं, go like start attending events, start talking to mentors, like there are many people who, you must be like taking inspiration from try talking to them, like be active on social sites, of course in LinkedIn, and this gives a like nice opportunity to work upon, like to meet like-minded people. So yeah, increase your sample size, do networking, and don't think like कि आपको सिर्फ startup ही करना रहेगा. You can start doing with an internship, you can start doing with freelancing. अगर आपको internship मिल रही, you can find someone like a founder from internship you are doing. So try to explore as much as you can, try to ideate and try to like gain more confidence on your product. So yeah, definitely you will find someone who will be thinking like you and who will be having an expertise.
Yes, sir.
Thank you so much. That's great, Sarthak and Ayush. So Dimple, I think if your idea is more crazy, if people are not ready to accept easily, it means it has lot many potential. People have not thought of the things which you are thinking. So you can go ahead, you can search like as the many suggestions and advice you have received from the founders of Igniter. So I hope you are now charged up and you can implement whatever is coming in your mind.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you so much, ma'am.
Yes, you are welcome, Dimple. So any other question, participants? We can take one or more, two last questions if time permit us. Yes. So I don't think any other question now. So I would like to say a few things here. What I learned from the Igniter, I would say that there are the many key points which you have given to our participants. But what I like most is don't restrict only on what you are doing. You explore yourself in all directions. It is a human mindset, I would say, that we are restricting or we are only thinking in one direction. We should not do in that way. We have this mindset, if we belong to IT department, then I should only enhance my skill in the IT department. Rest all is none of my use. So we have to change our this attitude of thinking. We have to explore ourselves in all directions, and we should have that attitude of doing something different from others, because that what mindset we are having, that to get the job after completion of our degree, that now the things are changing, the scenario is changing, and we if we will start from the very first year, from the very first semester, then I can assure you, while coming to the final year, you will learn, you will have your own identity, you will find yourself different from others. So the 4 years is not a small span; it's a big span where you can create a different and unique journey, and you can be a role model for others. So with these words, I am handing the mic to Sanjay Jathar sir. Jathar sir, over to you.
Thank you, Madam. Thank you very much, Madam. Before I proceed to vote of thanks, I request all the participants, please fill the feedback form which has been floated in the chat box. All of you are requested to fill that feedback form. I think the link is there, and you can fill the feedback form. Good afternoon to one and all. I am Sanjay Jathar, member of MIIC, present here to deliver the vote of thanks. As you know, entrepreneurship and startups, these two words are most talked about words in business circles. Higher education institutes like IIT and IIMs have already established many successful businesses of their students. Many established business owners are investing in the startup as angel investors. Government of India has initiated many schemes to promote the startups and entrepreneurship among the students of HAIs because it is believed that higher education institutes can provide necessary ecosystem to such startups. It is also helping higher education institutes to establish the ecosystem for the startups. We have witnessed many successful startups that have very well established by Indian entrepreneurs. Particularly in the last 10 years, you can see many successful startups have been established and they are expanding. Today's event is different from those MIIC organized regularly because there is one speaker either from the institute or from outside. But today we are fortunate enough that we have 4 students from our university who have dreamed to have their own business, to become their own boss. Mr. Ankit Kushwaha, Mr. Ayush Vyas, Mr. Sarthak Nahar, and Mr. Somil Jain. All these 4 students from Medicaps Institute have established a very successful startup. I will say successful because they have, I think, they have overcome the initial hurdles of the startup, but challenges are still there. So, Mr. Ankit Kushwaha very well introduced their startup, what and how they are doing. Mr. Ayush, Mr. Sarthak, and Mr. Somil Jain later on very well explained how they are proceeded and what the difficulties and challenges they faced initially and how did they overcome, and this way how they pursued their passion. They have very well replied to the queries of the participants, and I must say that their presentation was very well organized, very well. They also delivered that presentation very well. I believe entrepreneurs face challenges every day, and they, with their capability, overcome these challenges. I, on behalf of Medicaps University and Medicaps Innovative and Incubation Center, offer heartfelt thanks to all of you to discuss your journey of startup till now. We hope your startup will grow exponentially every year, and the students of the university will get inspiration from your work and get motivated to step towards their own startup. The culture of startup will grow in our university in the times to come. On behalf of Medicap's Innovation and Incubation Center, I convey sincere thanks to Honorable Vice Chancellor Dr. D.K. Patnaik for his motivation and support to organize such events regularly. I sincerely thank Honorable Pro Vice Chancellor Dr. D.K. Panta for his motivation and support. Thanks to Dr. Pratiman Yadav, Registrar, for supporting and providing the necessary facilities. Thanks to Dr. Sarita Kansal, Professor in charge, MIIC, Professor Ram Janam Singh, Head ECEL, and the members of MIIC for all their support. Sincere thanks to Mr. Surikant Soni, Ms. Payal Somani, and Mr. Dalinder Singh for their regular support. And at the last, I would say special thanks to all the participants whose presence made this webinar effective and encouraged us to organize such events in the future also. So I again thank and congratulate all the four students for their startup, for their successful startup, and I hope that the participating students will be inspired and they will in future they will also incline towards starting their own businesses. So thank you very much.
Sir,
Thank you.
we would
participants,
like to
please. Yes.
We are so glad to be a part of this interactive session. Medicaps University gave us an opportunity to talk about our startup, like how we started our journey, and also in our college life also Medicaps University helped us in many aspects as well. So we are so glad to be the part of Medicaps University and to be the part of the incubation center ECEL. So I thank you each and everyone who supported us in the journey. Thank you very much.
Participants, please fill the feedback form which is given in the chat box.
Ankit, if time permit, can you show the video of 1 minute what exactly you are doing?
A video. Just a second, ma'am. I'll share the screen.
Possible. If possible.
Yes, ma'am. Sure. No issues. Yeah.
By that time, participants are filling the feedback form. I forgot to ask at that time only.
Yes, ma'am. Somil, please share the screen so that.
So this was the video that about the.
Thank you, Somil. So I hope the dear participant came to know what exactly type of work they are providing to their customers. So thank you all the founders of Igniters. So
Thank you.
Jathar sir, should we wind up the meeting here?
Yeah.
Yes, madam.
एंड कर रहा हूँ मीटिंग को यहाँ.
Thank you, Ankit, Somil.
Thank you very much, sir. We are glad.
So we will physically meet one day if the time and permit after the COVID.